Nowadays, kitchen gadget is a most common and valuable things for cooking. It helps us to keep easy our cooking. Vegetable chopper is one of the common and useful gadget in them. Today I will share with you top 5 vegetable chopper which you must need to buy for complete your cooking process quickly. So let's start. Now you can see number 1 vegetable chopper of this video. It's a vegetable chopper which can chop, dice, slice or grate almost all type of vegetables and fruits. It's a practical kitchen tool. It's very easy to use and clean. It contains with 8 interchangeable blades. In them there are 3 dicing blades, 3 sturdy blades and 2 slicer or shredding blades. You can also get a hand protector with it. Now you can see number 2 vegetable chopper of this video. It's made by high quality food grade ABS plastic and sharp stainless steel blades. In this vegetable chopper there are 8 interchangeable blades that can be sliced, shredded and grated in a variety of ways. In 8 blades, there are 3 chopper blades and 6 shredding and slicing blades. It can be cleaned quickly by scraping and rinsing residue from the platen and blade with the included cleaning jaws. Now you can see number 3 vegetable chopper of this video. Its blade contains 420 stainless steel blades. It has 8 interchangeable blades which can slice, dice, chop, grate and shred vegetables, fruits, cheese, nuts and more. In these blades, there are 3 chopper blade, 3 grater blades and 2 slicer blades. One special blade is in this vegetable chopper. This blade can be sliced eggs. With this vegetable chopper, you can get free slicing and grating blades holder, slicing and grating insert holder, chopping blades holder, cleaning fork and safety holder. Now you can see number 4 vegetable chopper of this video. It has 4 interchangeable blades. In them, there are 1 small dice blade, 1 large blade, 1 spiral blade, 1 ribbon blade. With this vegetable chopper you can get free 1 cleaning brush, 2 scrapers, 5 cups or 1200 milliliters catch tray, 1 finger guard. Now you can see number 5 vegetable chopper of this video. It has great ability. It's a vegetable chopper which can chop, dice, slice or grate almost all type of fruits or vegetables. It's made by top quality materials such as high quality stainless steel blades and food grade materials. It contains 8 different size of interchangeable blades for slicing, dicing or chunking. In these blades there are 3 chopper blades, 3 grater blades, 2 slicer blades. Mincing and slicing ingredients for desired dishes can take a lot of time. The vegetable chopper reduces the time for the whole process. So, you won't have trouble cooking or chopping vegetables and fruits. This makes it easier to add vegetables to your diet, adding variety to your meals and not missing out on any important nutrients. If you want to buy any vegetable chopper of this video, please check the description and click in provided link. I think you should buy at least 1 vegetable chopper of this video to complete your cooking quickly. No more today, let's see in another video.